In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a upper splash shield on a Toyota Corolla. This is located under the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to move under the vehicle and remove our splash shield. Starting with these push pin clips, remove these with a trim tool. Follow the clips along the back. And more along the side. And set these aside. At the front of the splash shield, we're going to locate 4 10mm bolts. Remove these as well. Hold the splash shield up while you remove the last bolt. And remove it from the vehicle. We can now reinstall our splash shield. And hand thread on your 4 10mm bolts. Now snug these down. We're now going to reinstall our push pin clips along the splash shield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.